Everyone, you are not gonna believe what happened. Welcome to Index Card. Welcome to Friday giveaway. And please, before we get started, can I have a thumbs up on this video? I went through the entire video, did the make, and my camera was off. I have no idea what happened. So these two makes, we'll have 3 makes next week to give away. I did already give away the 2 makes. Charlotte Head and Carol Luce won these 2 makes. I'm sorry that this happened, but okay, there's an extra one for next week. You can see I've started all brand new. So you are going to need, I mean, is this just not the cutest ever? Look at this. These Hobby Lobby from last year, there's 2 of them. You've got 2 pockets in this, so I added another. And then here you go. Here is the sweetest index card ever. I mean, look at that. Is that just not super cute? So yeah, let's make a third. Let's do it. I'm going to stand up and just make sure that my camera is going. I don't know what had happened, but yeah. So you're going to need a piece of cardstock that runs 4.5 high by 8 long. And then you're going to need to score that at 3 and 6. And we are doing fall. This would be great with any season. So 3 and 6. And then what you're going to do, I think you're going to see, to be able to have a good fold on that one pocket, we're going to have to cut this down, this side down just a hair. So we're going to burnish the edge. Yeah, because this wants to buckle. So what I did is I took just the tiniest bit off, ever so little, just so that that fold, I mean, that's it. You probably could do less than that. And we're gonna fit much better. There we go. Then we're gonna want to take a little thumbnail out of this side pocket. I mean, this is the cutest make, guys, just cute. And then because we have a pocket here, we're gonna take a thumbnail out of the back piece. If you take it out of the other side, you can see, I mean, there's no point, you're not gonna see it. So then, yes, we're gonna get the shredder out because this is shredding big time. And we're gonna go through and we're gonna ink this. And then we're gonna glue our pockets in place. And we're gonna decorate the front. I can't believe I had this all together. I sat there, we were talking, we were sharing. And I get up only to see that the camera was, I don't know if it slipped. I don't know what happened. So there we go. All right. Well, not quite. We didn't get that. Okay, so we're going to glue this inside pocket first. So we're going to run a bead of glue right down. You can use tape, your tape runner, whatever you prefer. And then on the bottom, and we're going to close this up. I mean, stuff happens. Then we're going to glue this little pocket here by gluing the ends and folding it over just like that. Then we're going to decorate. I'm going to hold this. This cardstock's pretty thick. So Then we need a ticket. Thankfully, I've got the little wax seals. I didn't run out. So we need a piece of washi tape on our ticket. If you don't have washi, you don't have tickets, just use whatever you have. You can use a label. You can just use a piece of cardstock. Just use your imagination. But I've got this whole big roll of tickets and decided it's time to use the tickets. Then we're gonna go ahead and glue this down. Just like that, just to have a little bit of a decoration. Okay, then we're going to use one of these cake toppers, cupcake toppers, whatever you call these. And I know I got these from Hobby Lobby, probably last year or the year before. And you're going to wiggle it to get this toothpick out. And it should come out fairly easy. And then because you have this kind of I don't know if you can see, kind of this bump in there, I like to take this and just kind of see if I can smooth it out just a little bit, make it a little bit flatter. And then I'm going to go around this too with the brayer, just so you don't have those white edges. And then we're going to glue this down. Super, super, super simple and just cute. I am having to admit, I think this is one of my favorite makes. And then we're going to glue this. We only need part of this ticket on because it's going to go over the pocket, and we don't want to close our pocket up. So make sure we're not closing our pocket up. I'm almost kind of happy, not kind of, but I'm happy that I'm doing a third, because this is by far one of my all-time favorite makes, I think. It could be the pumpkins, because I am in love with, yellow's my favorite color. And of course, then lime green and orange, I dearly love. And how often are we really playing with those colors? And so, yeah. If you have purchased my niece's fussy cuts for fall, any of those would be adorable on this. And you might want to check her channel out, because she has got some Bible verse labels that are just beautiful, and some brand new makes, digitals that she's done. Really, really beautiful. So if I remember, I will put the link to her shop in the description box. But while you're seeing this, I am in the mountains, and so I am doing this way in advance. And I don't know if you've been to my shop, but everything is 25% off. I did that to thank you for your support, and to kind of, it's the end of the year, and I'm like, let's move on to other things. So that's something that's fun. So we're going to put this little guy here. Isn't that just, it's so cute. And then, all right, we need a grabby label. I don't believe I have. I used two the same, and I don't know that we're going to have one like that. So we're probably going to have to find something different, but something equally cute. So let's see. Yeah, for those of you that are wondering, this does come from Grabby. It was in one of the subscription boxes, maybe that 22. That's pretty cute. And I like the shape of it. So let's use this label and put this right there. like that. And let's just ink it a little bit. And then we need our, oh, it's so cute. This could be a tuck as well. It would have been really cute as a tuck, and then we could have had little tickets in there. So you might want to think about that too. I am using the 8x5 index cards. Oh, I can see I have no index cards for next week. Ooh, I'm in trouble. So we want an index card that runs 2.5 inches. So then we've got 2 of them. So there we go. We're going to take this, we're going to ink it. Just like this. We're going to fold it. I need to get a strip of scrap to hold it. You know, I don't think I even showed it to you, did I? Okay, it's going to be a surprise. Yeah, because I'm doing it for the 3rd time. I don't think I showed you the exact make, so it can just be a surprise. So there's my index card. Your index card can be wider than this if you want. We're going to take this piece of scrap and we're going to cut 1/2 inch. And I will give you the measurements of this in just a second. I believe it's 1/2 by, I want to say maybe 7.5. Yeah, so it's 1/2 inch by 7.5. And this is going to act as our belly band for our index card, which is just super, super cute. I had to think of a good way to use this so that I didn't get stuck with postage. So we're going to take this, we're just going to, I'm not going to measure, I'm just going to glue this down here so that it stays. Just going to put this down there, I'm not going to worry about it. It looks pretty straight to me. So then we're going to take our index card and we're going to tri-fold the index card. We're just going to eyeball it. So just like this. And we're going to ink like that. And then we're going to fold this back on itself. Thus the tri-fold. And we're going to ink. Just a super, super fun project. Easy, easy. Great happy mail. Great card. Okay, so then we've got this. That's how we're going to fold it. And this, then, my friends, is going to get glued to the back. It's probably making sense by now. So we're going to glue this back here. And this is why we needed some way to close this. And I thought about a bow, I thought about a ribbon, which I think would be really, really cute, but the mail wouldn't like it. So I went with a little mini paper clip. So we're going to just fold this side over like that, and then fold this side over like that. We're going to paper clip this, and look at that. Is that not cute? Come on, guys. This deserves a thumbs up for sure. Super cute make. And then we want some type of a word there. And let's do spend your life in your own way. Let's do this one. That's just a little bit too bare for me, so this is what we're gonna do. And that is our make. And I apologize that you missed the drawing, but yeah, look at that. Oh, guys, come on. It is so stinking cute. So there'll be 3 giveaways next week. Adorable. Adorable. All right, so Charlotte Head and Carol Luce, these are coming your way. I am, when you're seeing this, I'm in the mountains. I should be home this weekend. So I will get that in the mail to you. And I want to thank those of you that have let me know that you have received your makes. And one thing that I did discuss in the last, well, the rerun, as you can see all the names. So I went back last week and I went back the week before, and I added names of those that commented. If your name doesn't get called, it's because they don't have your address. So hop into my Etsy shop and leave me a message with your address if you're at all interested in a make. And also, I've got everything in my shop is 25% off. I think I may have already mentioned that. I'm not sure because, you know, I've done this twice now. So big repeat. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, everyone. And I will catch you Monday for a new challenge. Take care. Let me know what you think. Hugs, guys. Bye.